In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to create a table in Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're showcasing product price lists, schedules, or specifications, creating a well-structured table on your Squarespace website can significantly enhance how you present information. Although Squarespace doesn't offer a built-in feature for directly inserting tables through its visual editor, don't worry. I've got a workaround that lets you add custom tables using a bit of HTML and CSS. Let's dive in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want your table to appear. If you plan to insert this table on a new page, ensure you've set that up before proceeding. Once on the right page, look for the Edit button to enter the page's edit mode. This is where you can add and adjust content blocks. After entering edit mode, your next step is to add a new block to the page. Squarespace provides various types of blocks for different content, but for our purpose, we'll use the code block. Click on Add Block and then choose Code from the available options. Adding a code block allows you to insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly onto your page. This is extremely handy for adding functionalities or content types that aren't natively supported by Squarespace's interface, including our table in this case. After selecting the code block, you'll see an area where you can enter your code. This is where you'll type in or paste your HTML code to create your table. If you're not familiar with HTML, don't worry. Table code starts with the table tag, followed by TR tags for each row and TD tags for each cell in the row. There are plenty of online resources and templates to help you craft the exact table you need. Once you've input your table's HTML code, click on the Save button. This will place your newly created table on the page. However, you'll likely want to stylize it to match your website's look and feel. This is where CSS comes into play. To add custom styles to your table, navigate to the Custom CSS section of your Squarespace site, found in the Design menu under Custom CSS. Here you can write or paste your CSS styles that will affect how your table looks. CSS allows you to control the text size, table borders, colors, and much more, giving you full control over the table's appearance. If you're new to CSS, here's a quick tip. To ensure your styles only apply to your newly created table and not every table site-wide, give your table a unique ID or class in the HTML code. Then use that identifier in your CSS. This prevents unintended styling changes elsewhere on your site. After you've entered your CSS, remember to click on Save to apply the styles to your table. And voila! You should now see your stylized table appearing exactly where you want it on your page. One last piece of advice. Always preview your page before making it live. Squarespace's editor and the live site can sometimes render slightly differently, especially with custom code. This step ensures everything looks perfect for your visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and customize a table in Squarespace. This skill opens up a plethora of possibilities for presenting data and information in a structured and appealing way. Whether it's for a product comparison, displaying plans and pricing, or perhaps an event schedule, your website will benefit greatly from this new polished look. Remember, the key to effective web design is not just about making things look good, but also about enhancing functionality and user experience. Your new table shouldn't just fit well with your site's design, but also make the information you're presenting clearer and more accessible to your visitors. Thanks for following along with this guide. Be sure to experiment with different table designs and CSS stylings to find the perfect match for your site. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.